Alright guys, it's been a while since I did an update on my RC boat. So, I've been working on it. As you see, I just got the lid sitting on it. But, yeah, it's a little different from what you seen the first time, just the bones. There's my rudders I told you I was making. I don't have them fixed yet, but working on it. The shaft's in. I think I'm going to redo it. There's my muffler that I custom made. Yeah, they're a little bent, a little bit crooked, but it's what happens. You don't have a vise to put it in at the house. So I'm up in my garage. I got the motor back in. I changed the brackets in it. And I got a new fuel tank, a different jug. And I'll show you my electronic box. Remind you, all this is handmade, except for the servos and stuff like that. Well, of course, but the boxes and stuff. I messed around with the carbon fiber look. It didn't turn out too bad, but oh yeah, I did make a nifty little stand on a PVC pipe. And this eye bolt right here, the screw, well, these legs adjust in and out to fit whatever boat you want to haul. On both sides are like that, so they'll go clear up for catamaran style or whatever. But I just put a bigger pipe. I think it's an inch pipe down to a 3/4 inch, I think it is. I was going for that expansion chamber. I said, well, instead of doing all that, just go with a little bit bigger pipe. I gotta brace it up yet. Just I got a little bit more work to do, but and I think I got a color scheme for it. I just need to get everything fiberglass. The inside don't look too good, but you know, you're not gonna see that anyway. There's my new jug. I made a little shelf to set it on. And when I fiberglassed it, I put the jug down on it, and then fiberglassed it right in it, so it ain't going nowhere. So there was my hole for my exhaust the first time, so I gotta put a piece of wood under it, then put it in. You never even know it was there. And I gotta redo my hatch. I think I'm just gonna put more of my well, it's for kids rubber matting stuff where they play with or whatever. It's like foam. As you see, when I go the off choke, you can see that my hatch won't close. I noticed a little bit ago, and it's hitting my muffler. Well, the muffler's there, but I ran a pipe to clear through it, so it's straight pipe. So it's coming along, and I'll give you another update after I get everything fiberglassed, and probably next time you see it, it'll probably be painted. So don't have much time to do anything, watching kids and work. So all right, until then.